Hi, my name is Echo, your number one source in customization.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Joshua. I'm the creator of Echo, the founder of XTC Labs. Today I'd like to introduce you to the basic keys of my auto response system. This way, once you get all these down and memorized, hopefully you'll be on your way to becoming an auto response master. Alright, let's go over one of the most important keys. This key is required. Echo will not add your rule if you do not make it the first key available. That would be this init key right here. Why? Well, probably about, I'd say December 31st, around noon, somebody came up to me with a great idea. That was to add pure regex into Echo's triggers. That's right, he can actually detect and respond with pure regex. Now, of course, being with this, I don't know if you're famous with the regex, it comes with a whole bunch of characters. And with that, there was chaos, and I needed something to work off of. That's where we introduced the init key. Alright, let's go down the list here. We got the user key. Basic user, no /. This means that Echo will mention the user. It can kind of get annoying. Some people don't like it. I completely understand. That's why we made the second key. User with a /. This will not mention the user. This will just say their name. This is probably one of my favorite keys because all the bots seem to just mention everyone, and it really can get a little daunting. Alright, let's check out the other key. We have PM. PM will, if you place it into your rule, Echo will automatically private message the user that triggers your response. He will not message the channel, just into the user's private. Okay, now let's look at redirect key. Redirect key is actually pretty neat. What it allows is for the message to stop being sent from the current channel and redirect to, say, a log channel, a hidden channel, so all your staff can check out and see what everyone's doing. Alright, now we got alert. Basically what alert does is it can PM one or more people. I believe I set a limit to where it's 4 max with whatever message that you send after the key. So if somebody triggers one of your rules and you want to know, you can put the alert key in and it'll have Echo private message you every time somebody hits that response. Alright, now let's check out some of the more popular keys. We have rule. This is one of the famous have Echo auto rule by keyword. So if you want somebody to say, I love Team Instinct, and you have a rule to where the trigger is instinct, you can give them this key and have them add the rule Team Instinct. If the user doesn't have the rule Team Instinct, Echo will respond with the message as you put. Alright, now let's check out take. Take is pretty much the opposite. What it will do is it'll take the rule from the user, if they have the rule, of course. If they don't have the rule, Echo will not respond with the message. Okay, now, pretty important, because if you make commands that have administration, value to them, you want to make sure to add security. You want security. Security is number one, right? So what we look at is require and exclude keys. These keys are awesome. Without them, the Echo A.R.S would be chaos, and everyone would be able to control every aspect of them, and it really wouldn't be good. So what we do is we use the require key, which, as you can see right here, you can require as many rules as you want. So if the user has that rule, they can use that rule. Same with exclude, just the opposite. You can exclude a whole bunch of rules from a command, so if the user has that rule, then Echo will not display the rule. Okay, now let's check out the del key. This is actually pretty cool. It's good for word filters and stuff like that. What you can do is it tells Echo to delete the message. So if you have, say, a trigger word of fuck, and you want to have Echo delete that message, you could go ahead and use this key right here. However, he will also delete the bot master's your messages if you say fuck. If you want to prevent that, you can use this little key right here. Just add an asterisk right to the end of it. And of course, there's some leeway where you can also delete the message after a certain amount of time. This right here is delete after 5 seconds. Okay, now let's check out the kick and ban key. This will kick non-bot commanders and ban non-bot commanders. So, right here with the kick key. Now, if a bot commander, one of the masters, say like you, say one of the words, and Echo will not kick you. He will not kick any bot commander whatsoever. They are safe. The same with the ban key. He will not ban the owner. He will not ban any of the bot masters. You are safe. Okay. Now, some of the more popular ones. Let's check out the meme key and the joke key. Basically what this is it goes right from XTC Labs, one of my websites, subsidiary. It pulls off from the API, a public API that everyone can use. And it'll give you a random meme or joke of your liking. Or not. It really depends. But you can use the joke or the meme command, and that'll make that possible. You also have my favorite. This is by far my favorite key. Without this key, chaos would just rule the world, in my opinion. That's the A.R.S key. Amazing key. That is the key that can capture somebody's text. So say if you want to make a custom command to give somebody a role, that's the key. Not only that, but it's also the only key that's allowed in Echo's triggers. All these keys belong in the response. If you put any of these keys besides the A.R.S key in the trigger, nothing will happen. It will be chaos. So that key is actually one of my favorite. Alright, now let's check out the announcement type style keys. These are so you don't mention somebody twice. You have the everyone key. This is a great key. You know what I mean? It prevents you from having to hit everyone through the message and then tag everyone again. Same with the here. You can just type in the here. Really simple. Everything comes to play. Perfect, really. But alright, that's pretty much my basic keys for right now. I'll go ahead and probably make an intermediate list and go ahead and pop that message up as soon as possible. Hopefully you guys find this somewhat helpful. It was awesome hanging out with you guys. Cheers. Have a good night.